Hey everyone, so today I decided to film my first vlog. I'm not really doing much today, so it's kind of a random day to pick for a vlog, but I decided why not. I'm stepping out of the house for a bit and I have plans later tonight. I'm going to Hobby Lobby to return a lamp that I bought to replace my lamp at work. This is the lamp. It's an OttLight. I also want to go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx to find something for my vanity area to store my skincare and all that. Alright, so I'm gonna take off right now. Okay, so I'm here at Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna get off really quick and make the return. On my way out of here, I'm gonna stop by the Marshall / TJ Maxx store. It's a 2-in-1 store. Never seen those before. And there's also a Joann fabric store right next door to the Marshalls. So I might stop by there to pick up some fabric that I need to reupholster a chair. It's a project that I've been meaning to do. I've been kind of putting it on hold for the last, I don't know, like 3-4 months maybe. So I'm gonna buy the fabric. Hopefully they have what I'm looking for, and yeah. So I just got back from making that return at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna head out to Home Goods and the Joann fabrics. Hopefully I can find the fabric that I'm looking for, and I'm really hoping I find a good storage unit, at least like a small one, just to store all my makeup and my skincare stuff, because right now I have like a little 3-tier cart, but I don't like the fact that my skincare products and all the items in that cart are exposed. So it gets a little dusty sometimes, and I want something that's just gonna cover my things. So maybe like drawers or cabinets, something like that. Yeah, so lately I've been in this weird mood where, well, I guess it's not weird, it's just all of a sudden, it's very random that it hit me that I just want to buy like things for the house because I've neglected it for so long. Last year I spent most of my time focused on opening my own business and figuring out what I'm going to do, how I'm going to decorate it, and it takes a lot of time and energy to open a business by yourself, especially. I know it's a small business, but still it takes a lot of time and effort and a lot of energy, to be honest. So yeah, I've neglected my home for quite some time now, and I'm trying to fix it up and spruce up my bedroom. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. So we're gonna head out right now. So I stepped out of the house around 1:30. It's about to be 3 now. It's like time just flies so fast when you're in traffic. It's ridiculous. I've only gone to get my coffee and go make that return, which didn't even take that long, and traffic is just getting worse. Today's my off day, so I decided to run a few errands, get ready for my work week, which starts tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, but it's like my Monday. That's when I go back to work at the studio. So I'm just taking this time to run all these errands, do a couple of things that I need to do that I can never do throughout the work week. And also tonight we're going bowling with my mom. Today's her birthday, so I'm really happy that her birthday landed on a Monday, because Mondays are my off days. So I just got here. I parked under the shade, and I just noticed it's like super bright when I'm looking south. Look at that. It's like really nice and bright outside, but once you look up north, it looks pretty ominous. Okay, so I just walked out of Joann fabric store. I'm gonna head out now to the house, and all of a sudden the weather just changed. It got a little windy, and it's not as sunny as it was when I first stepped out. Let me show you guys how crazy the weather is right now. cloudy it got. It's like really cloudy. It was just sunny a few moments ago. Okay, so I'm gonna head out now. I'm back. Hey, you. You happy to see me? Back home, and it's pouring out there, guys. Look at that. You can actually hear the rain. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought at Home Goods. I ended up getting two things, but I wanted to find a little, like a drawer set, like a little chest of drawers or something small so I can store all of my beauty products in. Unfortunately, they didn't have any, and I found a bit, and I picked up this candle. It's called Dusty Rose. I don't know what brand this is, but I just happened to walk down the aisle where they had the candles, and I picked this one up because I love buying candles from, doesn't matter from where it is. If I like the smell, I'll most likely buy it, and I really like the smell of fresh roses. It smells like fresh cut roses. It was only $8. I also picked up something for the studio. I've been meaning to get a new trash can for my studio. The one I have is pretty old. I just love the color. It's the perfect shade of pink. I love pink, you guys. And it also has a little pedal here, and this is from the brand Beano. I had seen this same trash bin at Urban Outfitters for like $25, and I picked this one up for $12.99. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I was like, wait, that's the same one that they have at Urban Outfitters, and it was like half off. So I had to get it. It's really cute, and it's pink, and I love it. It smells so good. I'm gonna go turn it on right now. You're camera shy? Huh? You're camera shy? Like 2 weeks ago, and I didn't show anybody because I didn't have time to take pictures of the set, but it's just confetti, glitter, and a little bit of pink foil that I got from Japan. It just so happened to rain on the first day that I do a vlog, my first vlog. Jamil just got off right now to go reserve a table for dinner tonight. We're gonna meet up with my mom, my sister, nieces, nephews, so we're just gonna have dinner for her birthday, and then we're gonna go bowling. And yeah, who knows how long the wait's gonna be. I'm like starving right now. I didn't have a proper lunch, so yeah. We just had dinner, but when we went to the bowling alley, they told us there won't be anything available till 9:30, and we were gonna wait that long. And it's really cold, you guys. It's like low 50s right now. And yeah, I was not expecting the rain earlier.
That's Los Angeles cold.
Yeah, so that's cold for us. Yeah. Whew. That was really good though. Dinner was really good. I liked it. I didn't eat it all, but that's fine. I'll have leftovers. Okay, so we're going home now. So we just got home right now, and yeah, I'm kind of bummed out about the bowling thing, but we decided we'll go some other day. We'll try. And yeah, so I'm just making a tea right now, and I'll probably start uploading this video tonight. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else planned for the rest of the evening, and I'm just gonna take it easy. Yep. And here, Oolong eating his kibbles. He's pretty loud. Okay, so I made an Earl Grey tea. I just put coconut milk in it. This is one that I like to drink. I'm just gonna start uploading today's vlog. This is the first time I'm doing it, and it's just like kind of all over the place, I feel. I don't know how people can organize themselves, or is there a way of organizing yourself? Like when you're recording, because I have a lot of clips and it's a lot of stuff I have to edit together. Is this why people take forever editing vlogs? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll try to film more vlogs in the future. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.